Hey Style Girl, welcome back to my channel. My name is Danielle if you're new here, and today we have a nail tutorial. You guys know I do my nails at home, always have, and we're starting off with a good old soak off. This is typically the time where I like to pull up my iPad, watch a little YouTube or a movie. Most likely it's going to be YouTube, but it usually takes me about 20 to 25, maybe 30 if the nails are on to soak off, and I'm completely fine with that. It's just an opportunity for me to chill and relax. These are my 2-week-old nails, and this is after about 15 minutes of soaking them. I don't file them. I pretty much just let them do what they're gonna do, which is fall off. I'll go through with this tool and kind of raise whatever loosens up. I don't force anything. I don't like pull at anything. If it comes off easily, great. If it doesn't, I soak it back in the acetone until it comes off. My general tools are a curing lamp. I always keep this manicure set, has clippers and everything that I need to do a manicure. My brushes for if I want to do a design, and then these full cover nail tips by Beetles I absolutely love. You get like 500 full cover nails, and I think that is a steal deal. I'm gonna need a nail file, my electric hand drill. I'll also use a buffing block for taking away the shine off my nails. I have this primer that I did get off Amazon, and then my base coat and my top coat for gel polish. This was a new gel polish that I wanted to try out, but it just wasn't the color that I needed for this nail set. After you've done your manicure, you want to go ahead and start to size these full cover nails to your natural nail. Now you see there's a little overlap on this nail. That's an easy fix. All you have to do is just file that edge. You'll see that later, so it fits your nail. I do the sizing first for all of my nails, line them up, and then prepare to glue them. I almost always have to file this part of my thumbnail because I guess my thumbnails are slimmer than average. But anyways, I just simply use a hand file and file the inside of the full cover nail, and now it fits. Next, we're going to take the hand drill and roughen up the surface of the inside of the full cover nail so that it holds onto the glue a lot better. You're less likely to have your nails pop off if you do this step. I also like to do this step to the full cover nail as opposed to doing it to my natural nail because I don't want to damage my natural nail by filing it down. This Beetles gel nail set, which comes with this glue, is a life changer. I recently started using the protein bond, which is like a primer, and it helps my nails stay on longer. But the glue and the Beetles set, whatever, the whole Beetles joint is like my favorite nail extension set to use at home. So right now I'm just prepping my nail with the protein bond, and then I will start to do the gluing process. So this is a brush on glue, and it's cured with a lamp, and the lamp comes in the set. The gel glue comes in the set as well, but you just brush it on to the inside of the nail. You don't want to use too much, but you want to use enough. And the trick is to apply the nail from cuticle to tip, and that will eliminate any air bubbles, and you want no air bubbles. Trust me when I say, if your hands stay in water all day, air bubbles are not going to be your friend. The water is going to get in there, and then your nails are going to come off. So no air bubbles. The next step is going to be to cure it underneath the light. I use it for the whole time that the light is on. It goes off by itself. Really nifty. And as you can see, I don't have any air bubbles, and I basically just repeat this process for every finger. I do all 10 fingers, and then we move on to the next step. Now it's time to get the shape and length that we really love. For this nail set, it's a almond shaped nail already, but it's a little too long for my liking, so I basically just cut off the edges and the tip. That way I can shape it and file it into a shorter almond shape. I like a slim pointed almond, or maybe it's a rounded almond. I like almond, but I I'm very particular about how I shape my nail. So I will literally spend majority of my time filing to my heart's content. This is how they look before I start shaping. I cut the corners and the tip off, and we start filing. After we file, we basically are going to buff off the shine that is on top of the nail. And I believe this helps the gel nail polish application, but girl, they do it at the nail salon, so I do it at the house. And this is what this looks like. There is no shine left on the nails. So now we're gonna move on to the fun part, which is the polishing. Girl, I was feeling froggy and fancy, and I wanted to try a new nail design. Pardon this part of the video because it just really didn't turn out how I wanted it to, and I think it's because of this brush right here. Like, it's a stippling type brush and I needed something more blunt and dense, and I didn't have that. So anyways, I'm putting on the base coat, and I just do this and put this on every single nail and then cure it underneath the lamp for 60 seconds. This is one of my favorite base colors to use on my nails. I wear it alone very often, and I also use it as a base for when I want to do a design. It's by China Glaze. It's their gel polish in the color Trophy Bride. I wanted to attempt the viral blush nail trend from TikTok. So I'm mixing an orange polish and a pink gel polish to make a melon colored gel polish. I wanted it to be like a blush color, almost like popsicle lips, if you know what I'm saying. And I wanted to use that and dab it in the middle, almost like a blushing, like cheek blush, like cheek color. I know you know what I'm saying. So this is at this point where I noticed that I wasn't really getting the results that I wanted. Like I said, this is a stippling type brush, and I needed something that was more dense, more compact, so that the color doesn't look, I don't know, like dotted. It looks textured, and I didn't want it to be textured. But anyways, I figured I would add a little bit of pizzazz to one of my nails. So I'm mixing my gel polish, my gel nail glue, the brush on gel nail glue, and this like reddish orangey nail polish color, and I made a heart on one of my nails. So now we're just finishing it off with a gel top coat and some cuticle oil, of course, because we don't need those ashy cuticles. And that, my friend, is how I do my nails at home. I hope this video was helpful. And of course, until next time, Sal Girl, bye.